Hello, in this video, I will show you how to configure code formatting in VS Code for a Sveltekit project. First, let's open a Sveltekit project in VS Code. Go to the Extensions tab to install two extensions called PRETTIER and SVELTE for VS Code. For each extension, take note of the identifier. We will use it later. Now let's create a folder named .vscode, and inside it we will create a file called settings.json. In this file, we place all the settings to use the project in VS Code. As these settings are being stored in a file within the project, they will be shared with everyone who edits the project. In other words, the settings are being tied to the project and not to your local VS Code installation. Here we are setting PRETTIER as the default formatter. This line is setting the SVELTE for VS Code extension as the formatter for Svelte files. This line is crucial. By activating the FORMATOnSave option, your code will be formatted every time you save the file. Finally, this line will sort your imports every time the file is saved. Now, there's one last thing you can do. It's worth noting that the VS Code extensions were installed locally. This way, if someone downloads your project without installing the required extensions, the formatting settings will have no effect. There is a way to remedy this problem. You can make VS Code recommend the installation of the extensions if they are not already installed. To do this, simply create the extensions.json file inside the .vscode folder and list the extensions identifiers in this file. This way, when opening the project in VS Code, it will check if the extensions are installed, and if not, it will recommend their installation. Now, let's see the formatter in action. I'm going to mess up the Sveltekit start page code, and when the file is saved, I expect the formatter to automatically organize everything. As you can see, the code was formatted on save and everything is working as expected. You can also format all files in your project at once. To do this, just go to the terminal and type the command npm run format. And that's it. Now you have a Sveltekit project with code formatting. If you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button.